Staking is how you earn yield on your TAO. There are two ways to do it, and the difference matters. The first is root staking. When you stake TAO on the root network, you are delegating your TAO to a validator who participates in network consensus. Your TAO helps secure the network, and in return, you earn a share of the validator's rewards. Root staking is the simpler, lower-risk option. Returns vary by validator, but generally range from 7 to 11% annually for root staking, depending on the validator's performance and commission rate. Your TAO remains liquid in the sense that you can unstake at any time, though there may be a cooldown period. The second is alpha staking, also called subnet staking. This is where it gets more interesting and more risky. When you stake on a specific subnet, you are buying that subnet's alpha token and locking it. This is not just earning yield, it is making a directional bet on that subnet. If the subnet does well, your alpha appreciates and you earn emissions. If the subnet underperforms, your alpha loses value and you could end up worse than if you had just held TAO. The current network staking rate is around 68%, meaning most TAO holders are staking rather than holding idle tokens. The alpha stake ratio has been climbing as more investors move from root staking into individual subnet positions. How to choose a validator for root staking? Look at their uptime, commission rate, total stake, and track record. Validators with more stake generally have more influence on consensus, but may offer lower yields due to dilution. Smaller validators can offer higher yields, but carry more risk. How to choose a subnet for alpha staking? Look at the team, the product, the emissions share, the number of active miners, and whether the subnet is generating real revenue or just farming emissions. The golden rule: never stake more than you are willing to lose on any single subnet. Diversify across multiple subnets if you are doing alpha staking, and always keep some TAO unstaked for opportunities.